Welcome to this introduction to the IFSQN Food Safety Management System Implementation Packages. The IFSQN supply FSMS implementation packages for the following current GFSI benchmark schemes. IFSQN Food Safety Management System implementation packages include FSSC 22000 Food Safety and Quality Management System for food and food packaging manufacturers. IFSQN Food Safety Management System implementation packages include SQF Food Safety and Quality Management System for food manufacturers, SQF Food Storage and Distribution Safety and Quality Management System, SQF Food Safety and Quality Management System for food packaging manufacturers. IFSQN Food Safety Management System implementation packages include BRC Food Safety and Quality Management System for food manufacturers, BRC Storage and Distribution Safety and Quality Management System, BRC IOP Food Safety and Quality Management System for food packaging manufacturers. IFSQN Food Safety Management System implementation packages include IFS Food version 6. IFSQN also supply FSMS implementation packages for ISO 22000, HACCP. Many major retail, manufacturer, and food service companies have come to a common acceptance of the GFSI recognized food safety schemes. There are many benefits of the IFSQN implementation packages. They save thousands of hours writing your own documents. They are easy to implement. They fast-track your route to certification. Certification can be achieved without the need for external consultants. They are available for immediate download. They are great value as most packages are less than $1,000. The benefits of the IFSQN implementation packages also include assurance of high levels of competence in critical food safety areas and thus provides a due diligence, customer confidence and brand protection with better quality and reduced complaints and recalls, recognized food safety management disciplines with a reduction in product failure, HACCP systems based on Codex principles, introduction of best practices, thus improving standards and consistency, improve staff commitment and motivation, can widen market opportunities with retailer acceptance when certified, reduction in the number of external audits when certified. IFSQN Food Safety Management System packages contain a variety of tools to assist in achieving food safety certification. These include implementation workbooks, extensive food safety policies and procedures, prerequisite procedures, HACCP documents. Supporting the documentation package, we include training, record and checklist templates, and most importantly, free expert technical support until you achieve certification. Developing procedures is time-consuming, as there are so many requirements you need to ensure are covered in your procedures. Our packages save you thousands of hours by providing easy-to-use document templates in Microsoft Word format. You can insert your logo into the documents and edit to suit your operation. Document templates are written to match the clause of the standard for ease of implementation. For example, with our SQF code implementation package, there are 67 food safety quality management system procedures which are prefixed to match the relevant clause of the SQF code module. Here you can see the organization and format of the SQF Module 2, SQF System Elements Procedures supplied, each document matching the clause in the SQF code for ease of implementation. Here are examples of one page from the first 6 procedures for the SQF code package. You will see the numbering matches the clause of the standard. The documents can be edited, are neat, professional, and you can insert your own logo in the header or footer. In each implementation package, we supply a complete set of prerequisite programs as per the requirement of the certification standard. Prerequisites are also referred to as good practices, such as good manufacturing practice. Here you can see the organization and format of the SQF Code Module 11, Good Manufacturing Practice Procedures supplied. Again, each document matching the clause in the SQF code for ease of implementation. Here are some examples of procedures for the management and control of prerequisites. You will find our procedures straightforward, informative, and professional. Most packages include 50 Food Safety Management System record templates, which again can be edited and adapted to suit your organization, and we'll help you with this if you need us to. Implementation packages also include extensive verification and validation records. A HACCP manual is included in all implementation packages with guidance to implement HACCP as per international food safety guidelines. We also supply a 22,000-based HACCP manual with guidance on selecting and categorizing control measures as per the requirements of ISO 22000. All implementation packages include training presentations in PowerPoint format. Training includes introduction to the standard, HACCP, prerequisite, and codex. Should it be required, we can assist tailoring the training to your organization. Internal auditor training is also included with each package. Training matrices and training records are also included. Implementation packages include gap analysis checklists. A unique aspect of our implementation packages is that we provide expert technical support. Our implementation packages come with free online support via email until certification is achieved. Most packages come with a free implementation workbook that guides you through the process of implementing a compliant food safety management system in 8 steps. Each implementation workbook provides guidance to implement the food safety management system templates, including assistance in developing relevant policies and establishing food safety objectives, defining the scope and boundaries of the food safety management system, conducting a gap analysis, identifying areas for improvement, and establishing a corrective action plan, establishing a project team and developing a project plan, providing adequate resources to establish the food safety management system, ensuring there is adequate infrastructure and work environment, allocating responsibility and authority, establishing appropriate internal and external communication channels, implementing the project plan. IFSQN Food Safety Management System implementation packages include BRC Food Safety and Quality Management System for food manufacturers, SQF Food Safety and Quality Management System for food manufacturers, FSSC 22000 Food Safety and Quality Management System for food and food packaging manufacturers, IFS Food Safety and Quality Management System for food manufacturers, ISO 22000 Food Safety and Quality Management System for food manufacturers and food service operations, BRC Storage and Distribution Safety and Quality Management System, SQF Food Storage and Distribution Safety and Quality Management System, BRC IOP Food Safety and Quality Management System for food packaging manufacturers, SQF Food Safety and Quality Management System for food packaging manufacturers. IFSQN Food Safety Management System implementation packages can be purchased online and are available for immediate download. Thank you for watching this IFSQN video. If you have any questions, email support@ifsqn.com.